Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be talking about... No, we're not going to be talking. We're going to be recreating this really pretty makeup look. This is going to be the Valentine's makeup tutorial. And I really love how this came out. In case you're interested, I'm going to do this with voiceover. And let's get started.
I'm gonna need my NYX primer to prime my lid and then set this with BB Pink color from Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette. This is gonna set the tone for the whole makeup look. And then went to my black pencil. This is a little bit waxy, that's why it's really easy to work with this pencil. I wanted to create a shape first, and then with a little bit different brush, I needed to extend my line and create a beautiful shape. Not just a shape, but just a beautiful shape. In the outer corner, I went this out and went to a little bit different pink color, a little bit brighter. In the middle, I wanted to add a little bit of red, a pop of red. Red is the color of love. And then in the outer corner, I used a little bit different brush and went this out with a gray color. And of course, going back to the same BB Pink color to make sure that everything looks well blended. There's no shimmers in this matte palette, that's why I went to my BH eyeshadow palette. Created an inner corner moment with shimmers. For the lower lid, I went with the same gray color. Added this in the outer corner to link both of my lines and then blended out with BB Pink shade. Of course, I did not forget about my beautiful liner. I wanted to define the outer corner. That's why I added this in the outer corner only and for my lash line. I took off liner glossiness with a little bit of gray color on top and then added some shimmers from the brow bone. Used the same eyeshadows to intensify colors. And of course, I used a little bit of my mascara, regular Essence mascara, and added a crystal in the outer corner. And for my lips, I wanted to use red lipstick, but tone this down with a little bit of pink option, the soft pink later on. I outlined my lips with brown pencil, but you can use red as well. I guess it's gonna be looking pretty either way. You can see that it wasn't enough, a little bit of pink on top of red. That's why I had to go over with the second layer to diffuse the redness.
Okay guys, this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I love you all so much and I wish you the best Valentine's Day. I'm not celebrating Valentine's Day, but I know that a lot of people do. That is the main reason why I want to film this beautiful tutorial for you guys. And till my next time, bye bye.